I don't care if it's Sunday, man. We come to party in this place. Somebody say, oh yeah. Let's get it, y'all. Let's come on, y'all. Let's get it started, y'all. We get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, it's supernatural. Roll the light. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Come on, y'all. I need somebody to clap their hands out to welcome to the Let's Hit the Show. Come on. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose and keep on right. Well, everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Y'all sing. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine natural sight. Well, everybody's dancing. Here we go, y'all. Where's my hand clappers out here? Somebody clap your hands. Come on. We get it almost every night. When the moon gets big, come on. It's supernatural. The light. Everybody's dancing in the moon. Thank you, baby. Here we go. Dancing in the moon. Y'all see me? Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine day. Well, everybody, all right, I came to party. I saw y'all. Somebody say, oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Here you go, y'all. Come on. You're listening to the Les Edwin Show. We get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, it's supernatural for the light. Everybody. Oh, thank you, baby. Thanks so much. Come on, y'all. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody. Thank you. Feeling warm and right. It's such a fine. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Everybody's dancing. Here we go, y'all. Dancing in the moonlight. I need some hand clappers out here. Let's go. Everybody clap your hands. Come on. Everybody come on now. Fine. Well, hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Dancing in the moonlight. Say it one time, y'all. Hey. I'm just getting warmed up, y'all. Come on. Fine natural sound. Well, everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine place. Everybody, dancing in the moonlight. Welcome to the Let's Hit the Show. All right, we're going to do another song. Once again, welcome to San Francisco. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the Let's Hit the Show, y'all.